So you want to know what not to do on an Instagram ad? What's up, guys? So in today's video we're going to be talking about what not to do on an Instagram ad, and specifically a regular post. And this is, let me give you some background. So back in the day, back in October, November, I did November, because October was like an animal website, but November I had a beauty shop, like a home spa treatment type of thing, like thebodyshop.com, if you guys know what that is. If not, just like look it up. I'll put a link below. And it was kind of like similar layout, similar products, and there's definitely money to be made. I just left that niche because it was very difficult for me to market it, just for the finding the influencers and stuff like that, and then later on getting the pixel data and all that stuff for Facebook. But besides that, the ad was bad because I gave them options. So in today's, that's basically what we're gonna cover is don't give them options. Leave them to one page that has one product. And I'll give you guys my my ad. So it was for Cyber Monday. It was 50 to 75% off, and I used red because it's just like go 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 type of thing, and blue is like hey, trust me type of thing. But you know, looking back, like this is not, it doesn't contrast very well. The white and the red, that's nice. It was kind of like the JCPenney inspired ad, and you know, I look at these huge stores because they spend millions upon millions on market research. You know what I'm saying? So you know, definitely like look around and stuff like that. But that's just a little side thing. But don't give them options. I led them to a collections page where it had charcoal stuff, soaps, waxing. Oh, and then the more was like essential oils, and the hand care, face masks, and all that stuff. It was, and robes too. It was not good because what the customers did on average, it was less than 30 seconds on the website. So they literally scrolled through, clicked on one thing that caught their eye. Okay, bye. That was it. I didn't make a single sale, and I had traffic coming from like over 1,000 people, and not a single sale was made because I give them options. You know what I'm saying? You want to stress one product. You want that one product to be your focus. All right, guys, it is your golden product. But dude, don't give them options. Like, I can't stress that enough. Like I've said that so many times right so far. But just don't give them options. Lead them to one page, one product. All right, guys. And after that, you're just gonna see the difference, because this you'll get traffic, but you won't get sales. And you know, the point is making sales. But yeah, and then I'll show you guys like an ad copy type of thing. I don't know if you guys can see it clearly, but I used from like what, it has 6 emojis. This one has 3. From 3 to 6 emojis, which is too many emojis. Just limit yourself to like 2. But yeah, guys, just that's today's video. Don't give them options. Focus on one product. Stress that one product, and get some money. All right, guys. See you guys later. See you guys tomorrow.